Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use this Mr. Coffee coffee pot, coffee maker. Alright, so I've already filled it up with like 6 cups of water. I put it back here in the reservoir. And now all you have to do is fill a coffee filter with your desired amount of coffee. For 6 cups, and with Folgers Classic Roast, I like to use 2.5 cups. So, yeah, that's 1. 2. Yeah, it's about good. And to which you put this thing back over, so that way this doesn't sag and your coffee doesn't get filled. Did you see that? Put that there. Anyway, you shut the top, hit the on button. You see here it says brew now. And in a few minutes you'll have some delicious Folgers coffee.